Thank you very much. And just to begin with acknowledgements, I'm very, very grateful to Derek for the opportunity to have been involved with this, and to the Air Traffic Control Group, as it's currently called, but I'm sure it needs a new name, and to my colleagues in Leicester, many of whom are here today. And I'm particularly grateful to Derek because I think he encouraged me to think about this and to think outside the box. So although I've mentioned all of those groupings and my slides kind of said PHE on top, and I'm nervous because Derek's a director, but these are my thoughts, they're not PHE's thoughts, and I'd just like to share them with you. And I want to begin with where the story really began for all of us. And the important thing is that we are, as we've already begun to think about this morning, getting to a place where we can reimagine what we do for TB control. And it's really important that we step outside the box, and I think that's what Derek's team par excellence have done, and that's what they've taught me to do as well. And what Robert Koch did in this excellent lecture, and if you haven't read it, do go back and read it. It's worth reading his thoughts. And what he's in summary saying there are things that we know from science, but we need to reimagine how we control TB, taking account of what we know from science. And as I'm going to demonstrate through this talk, there's a lot of shibboleths that need to be dealt with.